Hello, it's Brenda from Craft Obsessions here. I'm just going to show you a little kit we put together to make some card toppers for Christmas cards. This is what you would get. There's 2 sheets and there's 6 cards on each. Just have to trim those down. You get 2 sheets of foiled card, 1 gold, 1 silver. Again, cut those in half and then you can mount the cards on top. You'll also get some ribbon, some twine. There's some little reindeer silk effect ribbon reindeer, bows, piece of ribbon, ribbon tree, a string of they're like little sort of snowflakey type pearls. They're glittered. They're very pretty, and 4 little metal charms, 3D metal charms. The selection of card toppers around here is what I've made from the ones I've done. Obviously you can make them up however you would like. This is using the ribbon and the little mini ribbons. You can leave them as is, or you can add your own stamps and other embellishments to them. They come like this. You will need adhesive and card blanks, as they're just ready to pop on the top. This is put on a 5x7 card so you can get an idea of the size, but obviously they'll go on smaller cards or larger cards. So that's it. So this is our Christmas topper selection. It's £3.99 and there'll be a link at the bottom of the video. Thanks for watching.